Hello students, today we are going to see 31st lecture for Business Statistics Paper 1 for SY BCom students. Name of the topic is Vital Statistics. We will see concept of CDR, STDR and examples and problems based on the topic CDR and STDR. Death rates or mortality rates. First death rate is crude death rate, which is nothing but CDR. This is the simplest death rate used to measure mortality. Annual death rate is given by M is equal to annual deaths bracket capital D divided by annual mean population into bracket capital P into 1000. Interpretation: CDR is the number of deaths on an average per 1000 persons. CDR is usually observed between 3 to 27 per 1000 persons. Since population varies over time, denominator in CDR is considered as mid-year population. Merits of CDR. CDR crude death rate is very easy to understand and simple to calculate. Demerits: CDR does not take into account the age and sex distribution. It is generally observed that proportion of deaths in the age group 0 to 10 years and that of age group 55 to 100 years is larger as compared to the proportion of deaths in the age group 15 to 44 years. In other words, children at early age and persons in old age are subject to higher risk of death as compared to youngsters. Mortality rate is slightly higher for males than that of female. CDR ignores age and sex distribution and therefore CDR can be used only for comparison of mortality of two places if age and sex distribution are more or less same. Then we are going to see specific death rates. Whenever we are interested in knowing mortality conditions of a specific section, we need to define specific death rate. The specific death rate may be according to age, sex, locality or region, specific cause such as diseases, AIDS, cancer or snakebite, occupation, etc. Sometimes two or more criteria of a specification may occur together. For example, urban female death rate, infant mortality rates, old age mortality rate are the examples of age-specific death rates. Death rate for industrial worker will be specific death rate according to occupation. So SDR is equal to total number of deaths in the specific section of a population in the given period divided by total population of the specific section in the given period into 1000. Among all types of specific death rates, age-specific death rates, that is age SDR, are widely used for its different applications. In order to compare mortality conditions of two localities or time periods, age-specific death rate is very useful for LIC for fixing premium. Suppose DI is equal to number of deaths in ith age group, PI is equal to total population of ith age group. The age-specific death rate for the ith age group is denoted by MI and is given by MI is equal to DI upon PI into 1000. We can also find area-specific death rates, that is MA is equal to DA upon PA into 1000, where DA is nothing but total number of deaths in country A, PA is total population of country A. So MIA is equal to DIA upon PIA into 1000, which can be considered as number of deaths in the ith age group in country A divided by population of ith age group of country A into 1000. SDR is the best measure of mortality. It is very much useful in the construction of life tables and fixing LIC premiums. Then standardized death rate. Age specific death rate is useful for the age-wise comparison of mortality of two populations or years. However, population contains several age groups. It is likely to happen that for one population, SDR is higher in some age groups than that of other, but it is smaller for some other age groups. In this situation, to overcome this difficulty, for comparison purpose, we need a unique representative value of all SDRs. This can be done very well by taking weighted average of SDRs. For the comparison of death rates of two populations, we consider the same set of weights to compute average SDR. A third population is taken as standard population and age group wise population is taken as weights to find average SDR. Therefore, the average obtained in this manner is called as standardized death rate. See the example. Compute CDR and STDR for the following two towns. Take population of town A as standard population. So the data is given for town A, age group wise population as well as number of deaths are given. Similarly, for town B also, age group wise population and number of deaths are given. So for town A, age group 0 to 5, population is 15,000 and number of deaths are 300. For age group 5 to 30, population is 30,000 and number of deaths are 600. And 30 and above, the population is 20,000, number of deaths are 800. Same way, for town B, age group 0 to 5, total population is 10,000, number of deaths are 280. For age group 5 to 30, for town B, total population is 25,000, number of deaths are 400. And for age group 30 and above, for town B, total population is 15,000, number of deaths are 750. So first step is to get crude death rate for town A, which is nothing but summation DIA upon summation PIA into 1000. So we will take the total of number of days 300 plus 600 plus 800. So that becomes 1700 divided by total population, that is nothing but 15,000 plus 30,000 plus 20,000. So that total is 65,000. So crude death rate for town A is nothing but 26.1538. Same way we can calculate crude death rate for population B. The formula is summation DIB upon summation PIB into 1000. So total deaths are 280 plus 400 plus 750. So that value is 1430 divided by 10,000 plus 25,000 plus 15,000. So total population is 50,000 into 1000. So the value, if we calculate crude death rate for town B, it is coming 28.6. Now we will see the calculations for STDR for town A. So age group population is denoted by PIA, deaths are denoted by DIA, mortality rate is MIA, which is nothing but DIA upon PIA into 1000, and MIA into PIS. In this case, standard population is population A. So these are the PIS values. Population values for town A becomes PIS values. So we will calculate MIA value. 0 to 5 age group, total population is 15,000, total deaths are 300. So mortality rate can be calculated as 300 upon 15,000 into 1000, which is equal to 20. So MIA into PIS is nothing but 20 into 15,000. So that is nothing but 3 lakhs. Then for age group 5 to 30, population is 30,000. Number of deaths are 600. So mortality rate MIA is nothing but 600 upon 30,000 into 1000. So answer is 20. 20 into PIS. PIS value is 30,000. So 20 into 30,000 becomes 6 lakhs. So next age group is 30 and above. Total population is 20,000. Number of deaths are 800. So mortality rate MIA is calculated as 800 upon 20,000 into 1000. The answer is coming as 40. 40 into PIS. PIS value is 20,000. So 40 into 20,000, the value is 8 lakhs. We have to take the total of these three values, which is coming out to be 170,0000. Then, so we will write the formula for STDR for population A is equal to summation MIA into PIS upon summation PIS, which is equal to 170,0000 divided by 65,000. So answer is 26.1538. Then we will go for STDR calculations for B, area B. So age group 0 to 5, population is given as 10,000. Total deaths are 280. So mortality rate is calculated as 280 upon 10,000 into 1000. So that is equal to 28. And 28 into PIS. PIS value, here we have to consider population A as standard population. So we will take the population from population A, that is nothing but 15,000. So 28 into 15,000, the answer is 4,20,000. Then for age group 5 to 30, population is 25,000. Deaths are 400. So mortality rate is calculated as 400 upon 25,000 into 1000. So answer is 16. Then MIB into PIS. 16 into 30,000. 30,000 is the population for area A, because A is to be taken as standard population. So this 30,000 is the population for town A. We will take this as standard population. So the value becomes 4,80,000. And for third group, age group 30 and above, total population is 15,000. Total deaths are 750. Mortality rate is nothing but 750 upon 15,000 into 1000. So answer is 50. MIB into PIS, the value is 50 into 20,000. So that becomes 100,0000. Then we have to take the total of the last column. So STDR for population B is equal to summation MIB into PIS upon summation PIS, which is equal to 19 lakhs divided by 6,500. So the value is 29.23076. And for STDR, for area A, STDR value was 26.1538. So we can say that STDR for A is less than STDR for B. So therefore population A is healthier than population B. Next example. From the following data, compute STDR for population A and population B. In this example, they have given a standard population separately. So this is different type of problem in which standard population is mentioned separately. So for population A, age group wise population as well as age group wise number of deaths are given. So age group 0 to 10, population is 5,000 and number of deaths are 35, because the population is in 1000. So For 10 to 50, population is 10,000 and number of deaths are 45. For 50 and above, population is 5,000, number of deaths are 80. Same way for population B, for age group 0 to 10, population is 3,000, number of deaths are 33. For age group 10 to 50, the population is 10,000, number of deaths are 100. For 50 and above age group, for population B, total population is 7,000 and number of deaths are 84. So calculations for population A. We have to find the mortality rate. So age group will write 0 to 10, population is 5,000, deaths are 35. So mortality rate for this age group is calculated as MIA is equal to DIA upon PIA into 1000, which is nothing but 35 upon 5000 into 1000. So answer is 7. 7 into 300, because 300 standard population is mentioned in the problem statement. So 7 into 3000, so answer is 21,000. Next age group 10 to 50, total population is 10,000, number of deaths are 45. So mortality rate is equal to 45 upon 10,000 into 1000. So answer is 4.5. So 4.5 multiplied by standard population is 7,000. So 4.5 into 7,000, the answer is 31,500. Then age group 50 and above, the total population is 5,000. Number of deaths are 90. So mortality rate is equal to 90 upon 5,000 into 1000. That is nothing but 18. So 18 into PIS. PIS is 6,000 for this age group. So 18 into 6,000. The answer is 10 lakhs 8,000. We have to consider the total for last column, which is nothing but 1,60,500 divided by standard population total is 16,000. 5 plus 10, 3 plus 7 plus 6. So that is nothing but 16,000. So STDR for population A is equal to 1,60,500 divided by 16,000. The answer is 10.03125. Then see the calculations for population B. Age group PIB value is given as 0 to 10 age group. Population is 3,000. Deaths are 33. So mortality rate is equal to 33 upon 3,000 into 1,000, which is equal to 11. So 11 into 3,000 is MIB into PIS. So that becomes 33,000. So for age group 10 to 50, total population is 10,000. Number of deaths are 100. So mortality rate is equal to 100 upon 10,000 into 1,000. So answer is 10. So 10 multiplied by 7,000, because 7,000 standard population is given. So that becomes 70,000. Then for age group 50 and above, total population is 7,000. Number of deaths are 84. So mortality rate is equal to 84 upon 7,000 into 1,000. That is equal to 12. So 12 into 6,000 is MIB into PIS. So value is 72,000. So if we take the total, it becomes 1,75,000. And PIS total we already have calculated, that is nothing but 16,000. So STDR for B is equal to MIB into PIS upon summation PIS, which is equal to 1,75,000 divided by 16,000. So answer is 10.9375. So STDR for A is less than STDR for B. Therefore, population A is healthier than population B.